Welcome back guys. Today we're gonna check out a very cool phone. This one's called the Galaxy Z Flip 4. So flip right here in the front from Galaxy, from Samsung. Some legal stuff here in the back, and Samsung. So the phone that we're actually unboxing, I'm actually at the Boost Mobile store today, and it's not even on their website yet. They still have the Z Flip 3. But we're gonna unbox it together because I'm sure eventually it's gonna be on the website. So let's get started. Let me take the plastic off. Let me show you what's in the box. It looks like almost nothing's in the box. Did we even get a charger? What? Oh look, we get this. So inside the box we actually get, let's see. We get a SIM card slot opener. We get the cable, Type C to Type C. It looks about a 3 feet cable, and a quick start guide. So the box is super thin, as you can see. I thought nothing was in there. I thought we didn't even get a charger in here. But we get the phone. Let me take off the wrappings. This is how it comes wrapped. So let's check it out. Check it out guys. So the phone is outside the box. We have it fully powered on so we can check out the specs on it. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough. It's not a super technical walkthrough, but this video is for somebody who just wants to see the phone, check out the features, quick overview of what's inside and what's in the phone. So let's start with the display. The display is a 6.7 full HD plus dynamic AMOLED ×2 display. As you can see, it's a beautiful display. I checked out the Flip 3 and it had like a bigger crease right here. So let me close this. You would see the little line right here, the fold line. On this one, they did a really good job and you can barely see it. So let's check it out. It looks like the colors are awesome and amazing. Now let's fold it for everybody that hasn't seen one of these up close. So you can see, you can fold this phone, throw it in your pocket, throw it in your purse, and this is what you got. So we have the main display right here, 6.7 full HD Super AMOLED display. Here in the front, we have a beautiful camera that kind of blends in with the display. This is a 10 megapixel front facing camera. Also, here on the right side, we do have the power button. Looks like we have a fingerprint sensor here. We might have it here, but usually Samsung has it in the screen. We'll check that out right now. We also have the volume buttons right here on the right side. On the left side, we do have the SIM card slot opener right here. So here's where you would pop in your SIM card and your SD. Here in the bottom, we do have the microphone, the Type C port, the speakers, and we do not have a headphone jack. So there is no headphone jack. As you can see, this one, it's a nice, looks like a gray color. I don't know the official color name, but I believe it comes in 4 colors, like a blue, like a purple, pink, and this black one, and a white one, or something like that. 4 or 5 colors. So here, the one we're looking at is the Boost Mobile one, but pretty much same model as the Unlock one that you can pick up from Samsung. Very nice folding mechanism right here. It looks like it's a lot thinner as well, as you can see. We do have a little display right here that we can turn on, looks like. So we have this display that will give us the time and the date and the battery level. We also have the back cameras built in right here. We have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 12 megapixel wide angle camera. So we got 2 cameras, and we also have the flash. I like the feel of it. I mean, it feels thin, it feels better, it feels nice, and it feels strong. So you're not gonna be worried about breaking this device. So let's see what's inside the phone itself. Let me take a better look and let me come back and tell you. The phone itself, as you can see, has a very clean overlay. It is using Android 12, so let's check that out. We do have Android 12 with the One UI 4.11, and pretty much, let's see how much we have internally, because internal memory is important. So internal memory, we do have 128 gigs. Software, out of the box, I haven't installed anything on this phone. We have 99 gigs available. Looks like for RAM, we have 8 gigs of RAM available, and it's using right now about 3.1, so we got 4 available. So very nice out of the box. So out of the box, 99 gigs for storage, and we have 4 gigs of RAM available. Looks like there's 8 available as well though, so 4 available at the moment. The phone is also rocking an internal battery, so you cannot remove the battery covers or the battery backs. The battery is a 3700 milliamp battery, And it also offers fast charging. The cable, you can get a little charging brick for up to 25 watts fast charging. And it also provides reverse wireless charging. I've never even tried that, but I've seen it on the S22, I believe, provides reversible wireless charging. So let's say you have some buds, some Galaxy buds, and you want to put them in the back here or here, you should be able to charge them right here with reverse charging, which is pretty cool, unique feature. Now let's check out the sound. Another great feature of this device, it actually provides ultra high quality audio playback. It does have built-in surround sound speakers by Dolby Atmos technology. So as you can see right now, we're at probably about 30% for sound. Let's bump it up. We do have the speakers down here, and let's give it a nice bump. At this moment, we're 100%. I can tell that the sound's coming from down here, but then I also feel some feedback from here. So I can tell that surround sound, because you feel like you feel like the vibration here, and you hear some of the sound here and some of the sound here. So it looks like it's working together somehow, built into the display or built into the back. So if you've seen prior videos of mine, this is my go-to video for 4K. Let's check out the settings. Right now we can stream up to 2160p by 60 frames HDR, which is 4K, I believe. 4K video playback, and then 2K and 1080p, which is really nice. Check it out. Let's pull it up, 4K. And this is my video, my go-to video to watch stuff and test stuff. And as you can see, the design and everything is amazing. Check out those colors. Better than my TV, I think. A lot of detail. And this is for a phone that flips. So cool. Beautiful. Now let's check out the camera. So camera, we get portrait mode, we get photo, we can zoom in, all these types of zoom, 0.5, 1.0, 2.0, 4.0, and 10.0. I did take some pictures to show you guys. So let's start from the far one. See if we can flip that. A lot of details, beautiful colors. Let's see what are the next ones. That's at like at 1.0. A lot of details, a lot of colors. And let's see, that's like 2.0, 4.0, and then 10.0. So a little unrealistic at that point, but it depends on what you're taking. If you're out in the Grand Canyon, it might look a lot better, right? So let's see. This was like a full screen picture. I love how like it works with the whole display, even though it folds. Video, so we do have video. We can record up to 4K as well, and then more. We have a lot of features: pro video, single shot, super slow motion, portrait, video, director's view, and hyperlapse, which is a little bit more technical for me. We're just going over the basics. And like I said, you can take nice pictures depending on how you want to set up your shot. And then I believe this is probably for like the camera. I believe you can take a picture from here as well, but I haven't tested that out yet. So a lot of features from the camera as well, but we might do a better video just talking about the camera, because that's a video on its own, and a lot of features built in. For security, let's go to security. Security for your lock screen, you need to set up a pin to be able to set up your fingerprint. Your fingerprint, you would set it up right here on the right side. It's not on the display as I thought. And then you can also set up your face. So you can set up your face. You can come up to your phone. The front facing camera is going to scan your face, and then it'll unlock your device. So that's another feature. And pretty much that's pretty much it. Let's check out the themes. I like themes. I like how they've done this. You can change a lot. You can customize more the colors and the icons and stuff like that. And you can buy some wallpapers if needed. But overall, it looks like a very solid device for out of the box. This is just a quick look. If you guys have any questions, you want me to do a video on something special about this phone, I can do it. Please drop a like if this video helped you out. I try to make it as simple as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.